Model Rockets 321 here, back with another video. Today's just going to be a quick flight, just 3 rockets to fly. May do a couple of them each. I'm going to try some different things today as far as video. I'm going to put an onboard on my Star Hauler, it's called, by Thrustline, and right here I have the Wolverine. Just a quick little launch. I'm a solo mission today, so we're going to get this done and let's see how it goes. Model Rockets 321, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's go. All right, Model Rockets going in 3, 2, 1. And here we go, coming down right below us. That was quick. That was on the A10 3T. Coming down nice and slow. Real cool flight. And we have touchdown. Very nice. Very nice flight of the Wolverine. Vintage rocket, very old school, Estes. Cool. So there you have the first one down. Like I said, guys, this will be a quick one. Got out really early on a solo mission, so we're gonna do it. Let's continue. Very nice flight for the first one. And next up we have the Star Hauler. I think the Wolverine went pretty good. Nice flight on the A10 3T, vintage Estes rocket. And here we have the Star Hauler, which is a Thrustline Aerospace kit. Thrustline Aerospace is no longer around. Rest in peace to the owner. I believe he passed away some years ago. They were around in the mid 2000s. I grabbed this kit and built it, you know, with my own paint scheme. Look like I think it's the Argo D4 or something like that, a scale rocket. This is similar design, similar paint scheme anyway. But yeah, so we're gonna get this one in the air. Let's go, Star Hauler. Got the Star Hauler going on an A83. Just want to keep it low and slow. Hopefully I can try to track it with the camera. And here we go. In 3, 2, 1. A83 right above us. Nice and easy. Low and slow as expected. And touchdown. And it stuck the landing. And this is the softer area, by the way, just to let you know. This dirt is definitely softer than the other side. And there we go, it landed upright. Real cool. Real nice flight. Real nice flight of the Star Hauler. Cool. Be sure to visit the Model Rockets 321 Space Shop for logo tees, mugs, and other space-related merchandise. Alright guys, so here we have the Falcon Commander again. We're gonna take a close look at this one. Flew it a while ago, vintage kit. I acquired this one, found it was a nice deal on, I think it was the Facebook Marketplace. So I have a B42 in there, a vintage motor, old B42 motor. I think it came in the box with this one. So we're gonna put this guy up and trying to keep things low and slow, but I think a B motor actually still makes this rocket go pretty high. So let's go ahead and do it. Here we go. Going in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's way up, guys, way up there. Real nice. Oh, it's coming down right above us. Puff of smoke just happened. Yeah, it's nice. It's drifting. It's up there pretty high. That's a high flying rocket. Well, even on a B motor, still gave it all of that. Give it that altitude, which I should have had an altimeter in there. I'm pretty sure it went pretty high up there. Guess I'm going to start my walk. Start my walk right now. Drifting down. Nice and slow. All right, it can either go on the soft side. Yeah, it looks like it's coming down on the soft side. Yeah, so here we go, right in front of us. In the tall grass, so that was cool. Very nice flight. Yeah, the Falcon Commander is a good rocket, man. That thing can go. Those 4 sweat fins and that narrow body, I guess it contributes to some nice high flights. So pretty cool. Landed safe and sound in this tall grass. Model Rockets 321, be sure to subscribe. Also, guys, I got a new t-shirt in the shop. Be sure to check it out. It's the Omega, the 2-stager. I got it on a t-shirt for you guys. I ran a nice sale. I don't know if any of you took advantage of it, but I'm waiting on my t-shirt to come right now. So Model Rockets 321, check the shop, support the site. All right, let's get out of here. All right, so next we're going to do the Star Hauler again. I'm going to send it up on a C12-8. I'm gonna run an altimeter on an 883. It went 39 miles per hour, and it says 75 feet. So let's see what a C12-8 does. And I'm gonna have onboard video running with this one. So let's check it out. Nice launch. Oh, the camera's gone. Bad news, guys, the camera is gone. I used tape on it and it is gone. I'm not going to find that out here unless I am extremely lucky, which that thing's gone. That would have been some nice footage too. Got the altimeter in there, but that camera's gone. I'm gonna do a quick look over here, see if I get lucky on this dirt where the ejection happened, but it is gone, gone, gone. The camera's gone. I shouldn't have did that. I do have another one, but that one's gone. Well, wow, but that's okay. The camera's gone. Let me see if I see it on this trail. So no action from the onboard video this time. That was the only one I ran today, but that camera's gone. I ain't gonna find it out here. Unless it's on this little dirt trail right here. But now I'm gonna head back. May put one more up, but the camera is gone, guys. Lost it. On that strong ejection, I guess it popped out. Came loose. Mother goose. But yeah, camera's gone. Nice flight though, went up really straight, nice on that motor. Yeah, but it's gone. I lost that one. That's never gonna be found. I have another one, but gone. modelrockets 321, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Got a lost camera. All right, modelrockets 321. Well, guys, overall it's a nice day of flying. I flew the Wolverine, Falcon Commander, and the Star Hauler. Lost that camera, and the altimeter didn't trip or whatever. I don't know. So the last one's the only one that gave slight issues, but other than that, no damage on anything. I actually caught the Star Hauler. You know, that's why the camera got flipped around, so sorry about that. But a great day of flying. And we will catch you guys in another video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Check the links in the bio section. New t-shirt up, that new design. Looks pretty good. Everybody should have one. Can't wait for mine to come. And modelrockets 321, thanks for your support. Be sure to visit the modelrockets 321 Space Shop for logo tees, mugs, and other space-related merchandise.